Let me now cover themes in WordPress. This is a huge topic and it can go into quite a bit of detail, but I'll just give an introduction. So the themes are going to be here under Appearance. And notice that there's a submenu Themes. And you have existing themes that came with WordPress. And all you need to do is click on Live Preview. And it'll show you a live preview of what that theme would look like. Notice that there is my menu here. And if we go back here, we can also look at this one and do a live preview. Looks the same. Let's go ahead and add a new one and then preview it. So here is the Add New Theme button. Click on that. And then notice that there's a bunch more themes that you can preview. And if you like it, hard to see without content, but let's say that we do like that one. We can install it. Now that will not activate it. That won't actually make this the theme of your website. So to do that, you'll click Activate. And then notice it takes the first position away from Astra. And then if we go and look at the site with that theme, it does look different. Different colors, different typeface. Notice the menu is different. It's over on the left instead of being over on the right, and it's a different typeface. So you can spend a lot of time looking and searching for themes. You can also download additional themes, or you can search for them. But notice that it comes with quite a few themes, and some of them look quite a bit different. So let's go ahead and install this one, and it'll replace the other one in the main position there, in the first position right here. Looks like it. Oh, I didn't activate it. So let's go ahead and install it and then activate it. This one here, and activate it. So you can do a live preview. You can install it, or you can activate it. And then activating it actually makes it your default theme. And again, the website will really change. Now you'll notice, as I mentioned previously, each theme has their own customization options. So if we go down here, now that we have this new theme, if we go to Appearance, Customize, this side menu will look different. A little bit different. Might have more options here. It might have fewer. Looks like this one has the same menu option that we saw before, but each one of these can be modified, and you can do it in either the customization area, customize area, or you can click on the theme here, and then notice you can also customize it from here, and it takes you back to here. So each one is a little bit different. You might notice that some of them have similarities, but that's why I tend to use just one theme, Astra, and it not only stays out of the way, but once you learn one, it's just easier because you don't even have to remember where the little details are for modifying the theme.